Babylon have certain amount of distraction. But them a try to take away and I youth from I and I. So them dingle all kind of little foolishness in front of them. You know? While we are show them nature and spirituality and, you know, of life, they must show them pretty paper and pretty this and pretty that. You know, so if we're not careful, we lose the youth them because them set the system away for mash up the family, and if the family mash up, we're going to use the youth them. Because it's like from a daughter of a youth to the man, the next time you see her, she says she and the man are there. And then the youth either have to grow up with the father alone or the mother alone. So that youth eventually become unbalanced. Because him don't know the love of mama and papa. And now you find out that you have black oppressor. Because you see them black people start to lick you down now, you know. Because you say, Africa we say, you know. I say, yeah, you know, say if you don't give me one God, you have to go black. And the black people still look for the white God. But they kneel upon cross. Them love him more than any other thing. If you say anything bad about him, you become a blasphemer. Then Rasta now become that blasphemer. So while we have the slave master a fight we, then we have the black people a fight we. Because originally, Nyabingi didn't mean death to white oppressor. Until it changed to black and white. Because our black people don't like to hear when we talk about Emperor Haile Selassie. The power of the... Them don't like the name there. Some of them stop a Rasta and Rastafari, some stop a Jah. But when you say Haile Selassie, them not like, them not love that name none at all. I Rasta man afraid to say it too. Haile Selassie. What a my favorite name that. We love it. Yeah, man, we love that name there, man. Yeah, we love that name there. The power of the Holy Trinity. Haile Selassie is Haile Selassie. He is the power of the Holy Trinity. You know? Sun, moon, and star. Easier and water. You know? So, we need a lot of cleanup for going amongst us. But through Rasta become independent and Rasta become rich as gone to them. We start to fight each other. But we've been cooked up, we've been set up, we've been used, we've been abused, we've been refused by the system. So they set us to fight each other. And because we are all lion and lioness and we don't roar easy and we don't talk nice, we roar. It sounds like we're acquiring sometimes, but we're not acquiring. We just a lick of fire. And the youth them will rise up. We still run around in the button to see who I go and give it to. We want to see the youth them will live certain liberty. Because some elders and most elders before us would never give us out them button. We have to work for it. Well, I and I, as a younger generation, willing to let go the button, but who is ready to take it? So I and I hold this liberty for over 50 years and steadfast to the same trad. In this world, but not of this world. We don't eat like them, we don't drink like them, we don't talk like them, we don't look like them, we don't live like them. But we are in the world, same way. So we want to see the youth who are going to rise up now and live that liberty and be successful in his trad. That's the generation, and the generation who is to come will know where to walk, when to talk, and where to carry and I live it to a next level. So we have a serious problem, and Rasta have a serious work to do. And we can't ramp around and we can't play around and we can't try to separate ourselves and say, yeah, Bingi and yeah, Bobo and yeah, 12 tribe, and me nah go this and me nah go this. Already run me still a come. So I don't have nobody else, you know. Uncle me have. Uncle Rasta me have. Me say Rasta pass, Rasta no call to them. Me no used to them thing, them who want go me yard. We no pass one another and just we say, yeah, love. Them not say love again. Them I say, yo, everybody turn big dog a back. No man I say love Rasta, yell me brethren, or love me brother. No, yo! Everybody turn Doberman and Pitbull. I don't used to do those things. But me still have to there with them. And sometimes when you answer them, them have them gun and they will shoot you too, you know. Because when me a youth, me never know no Rasta get shot.
Thank you so much for watching I Never Knew TV.
Please subscribe, comment, like, share.